Students, I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you class 11 subject English, and the book which I am going to use is a snapshot textbook, chapter number 3, Ranga's Marriage. So today I am going to give you a summary of this chapter, Ranga's Marriage, which is written by Masti Venkatesh Liengar. Ranga's marriage summary is an interesting take on the story of marriage by Masti Venkatesh Liengar. In this story, the narrator tells us about a very interesting incident from his life. It is about the village of Hosahali. Hosahali is a village. In that village, there was a boy whose name was Ranga. The special thing about the boy is that he is the first one to go to Bangalore to learn English. Thus, upon returning, means while he went for learning education, and while he is returning to his village, the narrator as well as the villagers wishes to see him. Means while he was small he went there to Bangalore, and now after finishing his study he is coming back to the village. So all the people are waiting for him. They feel that Ranga would now be changed, but he does not go through any changes. Means it happens, no? So if you are small, then when you come back you are totally changed, but that thing doesn't happen with Ranga. The narrator the narrator decides to marry off Ranga to a suitable girl. So this narrator who is telling us the story, he wants to look a girl for whom? For Ranga, so that Ranga can marry suitable girl for him. So we learn about how the marriage arrangement happens and what all takes place in that duration. It is an interesting story about marriage and villagers life. So this lesson is all about what? Marriage and how people select one another. So now I will give you this chapter in brief, but I will not read it from here. Ranga is a boy living in a village of Hosali in Mysore. So this story is situated where? In Mysore. He goes to Bangalore to receive English medium education. Upon returning to the village, and all the villagers fold flood to his place to notice any change in the boy. However, their appointment Ranga is the same he was before. He even greeted everyone with a namaskar, and thus everyone left. The village the village of Hosali is a nice village with very good mangoes. So basically in his village there is a large quantity of mangoes grows over there. Hosali is a small village which is not even that famous. It is a small village but in Mysore, but it is not that famous. After the villagers leave Ranga's house, the narrator stays back at his place to talk with him. So everyone came to see Ranga. After a long time he came. So everyone went off. Only narrator was sitting with Ranga and talking with him. So this is the first scene where Ranga and narrator both are sitting in Ranga's house and talking. So this is the scene. Thus they started talking, and the narrator thought it would be a good idea to find a suitable girl, for Ranga is not thinking of marriage. Now narrator is trying to talk with him about marriage, but Ranga is not at all ready for the marriage. just yet and wish to marry to only a mature and admirable girl. So what Ranga is trying to say that I want to marry a girl who is mature. What is the meaning of mature? Mature means who understand, who can understand, admirable girl. Thus the narrator decided that he will surely get Ranga married. And what narrator tries to think that he will definitely get a girl for Ranga to get him married. He feel that Ratna would be a perfect match for Ranga. There is one girl named called Ratna. So narrator thinking that Ratna is perfect match for Ranga. Ratna belongs to a big town and is an expert in playing musical instrument like veena and harmonium. So what is veena and harmonium? It's an instrument for music. So Ratna is from another big town and what she plays music. Thus, he decided to call Ratna deliberately when Ranga was visiting. Upon seeing Ratna, mesmerized she mesmerized Ranga. However, the narrator plays a game and lies to Ranga that she is married. This disappoints Ranga as he starts liking her as per the narrator plan. He takes Ranga to an astrologer. So this is the first part and second part I will send you. Thank you so much.